In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a division line in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a mathematics document or simply looking to clearly delineate sections, understanding how to effectively insert a division line can enhance the clarity and professionalism of your document. So, let's dive right in. First of all, you'll want to start by opening up your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer to use. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. This should bring up the search results, and you're looking for the link that takes you directly to Google Docs. Go ahead and click on that link, and you'll be directed to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do that now. Look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Google Docs. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Once you're signed in and inside your document, head over to the top menu. Look for the tab that says Insert and give it a click. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for elements you can insert into your document. In the menu, hover over the option labeled Equation. It's under the Symbols section. This feature allows you to create and insert mathematical expressions and notations right into your document. After selecting Equation, you'll notice a blue box appear within your document. This box is the area where you'll input your division line. As the blue box appears, a new toolbar filled with symbols and operations should also pop up right above your document. Locate the Math Operations option, which is where you'll find our division line symbol. Now, find and select the symbol that resembles A over B. This represents a fraction and is perfect for creating a clean division line right inside your document. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see placeholders for A and B appear within the blue box. Start by typing your numerator where the placeholder is for A. After you've finished entering it, press the right arrow key on your keyboard. This will move your cursor below the line into the placeholder for B, which is where you'll type your denominator. And just like that, you have effectively added a division line to your Google Doc using a fraction format. Congratulations, you've successfully learned to insert a division line in Google Docs. This technique is particularly useful for anybody dealing with formulas or equations within their documents. Don't forget to save your document to retain these changes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.